Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are in Canterbury. This is number 285A Sturry Road in Canterbury, and of course we are a really short distance away, not only from Canterbury City Centre, but from Canterbury Christ Church University as well. Now this is a 3 to 4 bedroom semi-detached house. Of course we're going to start the tour by of course coming straight through the main entrance hall and into the kitchen here at the end of the property. We do of course have the access point there through out onto the side and into the rear garden, and of course the cupboard there, really large amount of space. Of course they've got the fridge freezer in there at the moment. Now, due to its proximity to the city centre and to Canterbury Christ Church University, we would look at this as a fantastic buy-to-let opportunity. Of course, we've got the ground floor bedroom here, which perhaps you could use as a lounge if you're looking to use the property as a main family home. Now, coming through to, again, this second reception space, of course, if you're using the 2 ground floor rooms as reception rooms, we've got a really nice amount of space, and the property is, of course, in a really good condition throughout. Now, coming out onto the rear garden, we've got a really nice private rear garden, and you're not overlooked at all from the rear, which is wonderful, and you do enjoy quite a nice sunny aspect here as well. Got the side access there, which is really important, but again, really nice amount of grassed lawn area there, and of course the mixture of patio space there as well. So coming back into the main lounge area here, again, to recap on this ground level, we've got the main bedroom to the front there, which perhaps could be opened up into this lounge area if you'll be using this as a main family home, but for the purposes of a student-let or buy-to-let opportunity, you can use that as a front bedroom. Now coming upstairs, again, the space is abundant. You can see just ahead of us there the main bathroom, and we'll take a look at that in a little bit, but again we're going to come through to yet again another double bedroom. Upstairs we have 3 bedrooms, and of course the 4th one, if you so wish to use it as such, is downstairs at the front of the property. Now we've got again another double bedroom here. We've got the fitted storage there, plenty of space for a double bed and for more storage here as well, and of course we've got the window there just overlooking the front driveway space, where of course we've got plenty of parking provided. Coming through to the smallest of the 4 bedrooms that we have with the property, again not a bad size at all, though we've got the bed there and the storage as well. So coming through to the rear is where we'll finish our tour here, and we would ask that you give us a call at Kent Estate Agencies to find out a bit more about this property.